Hello everybody and welcome to the iCode channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Atari 5200 controller to your MiSTer. So here's the MiSTer I got from iCode.com. This is a 5200 Duo USB adapter from iCode. It's basically takes up to 2 players, so you can connect your first one here, which I've got. It's a 15-pin connector that matches the 5200 connector. Then you've got your device and it's got a USB cable, and the USB cable connects into your any USB device. It'll work with your PC or Mac or Linux boxes and your MiSTer. So I'm going to connect it to MiSTer here. You'll see the little screen popped up, and now I can move left, right, up, and down, and it'll go based on these. I've got my snap settings on, so it's snapping as soon as I move a little bit. It goes all the way to the left or to the right. You can control snapping with some of the menu options that I won't cover in this video, but it's possible. There's also additional buttons on here that map to gamepads. Also, there are buttons on the device here, so you'll notice if I push 8, for example, you see on the screen, the little screen here, the 8 will show up. So it does recognize the keypad, and those can be mapped as well. But for the MiSTer, there's a limited number of buttons that the 5200 core supports, so I'm going to show you how to set those up. So once you've got everything connected, just go ahead and push F12 on your keyboard for MiSTer, and go ahead and go to the remap and define joystick buttons here, and I'm going to hit enter here. And then it's going to do a D-pad test, which just means go to the right here, go down, and then for tilts, press the space bar to skip them. If you don't have the space bar, you can press the user key on your MiSTer. So I'm going to skip those two. And now it's asking for you to push the right. So this is where you need to be careful. I'm going to move to the right, then left, then down as it's blinking, then up. Okay, then for A, we're going to pick the top button, which is our fire button, and B is our back button, so it's second button. And then X and Y, I typically like to do 2 and 4 in these positions. So 2 was X, and then Y was 4. And then left and right, I like to do 1 for left, 3 for right. And then select, we're going to use reset. And for start, we're going to push start. Okay, then there's no mouse movements here, so we're just going to skip those by pushing the space bar a few times to get through the mouses. And then for the menu, you want to pick a key that you want to call up the menu with. I like to use the star key on the keyboard here, so I'm going to push star. And then for menu OK, we're going to push the fire button, which is the A button. And for menu back, I'm going to push this B button, which is the back button. And then tilts, we're going to skip by pushing the space bar, and that's all there's to it. So let's give this a go and see how it works. I'm going to go ahead and go to my consoles. I'm going to go down to Atari 5200, and once this is loaded here, you can see it's loaded. I'm going to go ahead and push the star key on my Atari 5200. See, notice it brought up the menu, and then I'm going to hit the A button for loading a card, and I'm going to pick let's see here, let's try Joust. Okay, push enter, and then I'm going to say 2 chips, go to the right. Alright, so that's Joust is loaded, so all we got to do is press the start key to begin, and you can see the start key also work. So now I can move left and right. I can also press the fire button. So nice. Oh, alright, so I think that demonstrates how these work. If you have any questions, just leave me a a note and comments, and I'll be happy to answer them. You can get these directly from iCode.com. Thanks again. Bye-bye.